In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put eBay listings on vacation mode, activate time away. If you're stepping away from your business for a trip or simply need a short break, eBay's time away feature helps you manage buyer expectations without ending or editing your listings. It adds a clear notice for shoppers and adjusts delivery expectations so you don't get penalized for slower handling while you're out. Start by signing in to eBay and heading to the homepage. At the top of the page, hover over your profile area. This might show as your name, your account icon, or My eBay. Hovering reveals a menu with key account options. From that menu, click Account Settings. This opens your account dashboard where you control preferences related to buying and selling. On the Account Settings page, look for the Time Away option. It's the dedicated place where you can schedule when you'll be unavailable. Click Time Away to open the Time Away page. Here you'll see your current status and the controls for creating a schedule. On the Time Away page, locate the section labeled Schedule Time Away. This is where you'll set your start and end dates so eBay can display the notice to buyers during the exact window you choose. You'll also see your current schedule, if any, and whether Time Away is already active. To make changes, click Edit Time Away. That opens the scheduling panel where you'll add your dates. In the Start Date field, choose the first day you want time away to begin. A helpful tip is to start it a little before you leave, especially if you typically need a day to process orders. That way, your handling time and buyer expectations are covered. Double check the date and time so it reflects your actual availability. Next, add your end date. Pick the day you'll be back and ready to resume your normal shipping routine. It's smart to include a small buffer, like the day you return, to catch up on packing and messages before buyers expect your usual speed again. Make sure the end date lines up with when you can confidently process orders. When your dates look right, click Apply. eBay will save your schedule and activate time away during the window you set. After applying, your listings will display a notice to buyers, and estimated delivery expectations will update accordingly. Give it a moment for changes to appear across your account. That's it. Your time away is set. You can come back to the same page anytime to adjust the dates if your plans change. Before you go, review your pending orders and send any necessary updates so everything stays smooth while you're away.